Why are you going and seeing all these boats?
Yeah.
Going on, really?
Popped it, yeah.
This is
It's on
not
there.
really, I didn't really consult her. We bought this boat on the spur of the moment. She said, like, you know, £7,000. I sort of explained that we were going to set this business up. We are going to call her Ella Mary after so that helped, you know. Yeah.
Appropriate negotiation there, Pete.
Yeah, I thought, you know, up there for thinking, down there for dancing, going to see how the hour works. And the business was a success, so we got our money back.
Oh,
And we got a boat called Ella Mary. And my wife, who was born in Peckham in the old Kent Road, you know, I say, you could take the girl out of Peckham. And that's very true. But she learned to drive the boat, and we've had some lovely days out. And I've got her to drive the boat, and so we've really enjoyed it as a family. I got my wife out and some daughter. I thought it was a possibility.
Yeah.
There you go.
Gab, Leo's first boat trip.
Perfect for photographs tonight as well.
Yeah, on it.
Cal, did you get a drink? Yeah? Did you get a drink? Did you go for the bar?
No.
Cocktail?
No, could have done. Should have done. No, I'm fine, thank you, appreciate that.
She just assumed it was inclusive vodka.
Nice. Yeah, it's a good one, mate. Lovely.
Next bit of love.
Very nice.
Need to tweak that a little bit.
Leo's
Yeah.
dummy.
Dip it in.
Oh, it's so pleasant. When's the last time you did this, Chris?
Never. Well, I said never. Eric and Sally, he had a 12-foot clinker boat with a little seagull putt-up. And he had that up to Fordbridge. But not that we've driven that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How they
Question.
Size.
they get used to the traffic. I think they do.
I didn't know that
We had
either.
Yes, you did. We read it on the sign when we went to the pub.
Remember?
And they were saying the Beavers were quite skittish and they saw quite good, but they said only for short moments they were swearing away quite quickly. Now,
Right, where's the bar now?
Sundays are very, very busy down the river, lots of boats and lots of paddleboards now. And we wondered if that made them a little bit more skittish and normally would be. That's what Tom, the ecologist, told me this morning. Whereas normally, they'll come and swim on water. Oh, wow. They said yesterday they behaved.
Yeah, done that. You'll have to feed them.
No, we'll never get that close.
Right. Yeah, lots of climbing.
Well, this river's a reservoir.
Two swans been living here for about 10 years.
Landed in my lap. Where'd that come from?
No, you
Oh,
going there.
Somebody's jealous.
Share you. Thank you.
They get really spoiled by the boat girls and
But the budgets that attack us.
the big one is the dad.
He's looking for food, isn't he? Just looking for food, isn't he?
He likes bread, doesn't he?
Upsetting
Does he?
yeah, swans really protected.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a lovely sail across, lovely sailing, because it was all cruising. We just waited for the tides and went with the tides. We're doing Ramsgate. We averaged 9 knots over the ground. We were coming back and
anybody cleared?
we just got caught out in a storm.
The environment agency come and
So
the trees that have fallen.
I'd love to be doing that.
They didn't do that in the fishing.
Yeah.
I went to Sandwich Lakes week after next to come along.
Oh yeah. What,
So yeah, you'll see some trees down quite soon, and they've left them there because
This
they
was
will send the boat out with their
German,
local staff. And they're
so
all
who
trained
saw us
to use
coming in,
chainsaws.
she took these photographs.
And it's still
That's Blue Line Breakwater. That's us.
tree.
Yeah.
And so they leave it.
I bet you were happy to pull in there.
It's quiet, so they'll come out here and they'll cut back the trees that fall. How many of you on board?
Two.
If a tree came along across the river,